Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to play music in Discord Mobile. So first, open up your Safari or your web browser or Chrome if you're using an Android and go to pancake.gg. Once you're here, tap the invite bot button. So before that, Pancake is a high quality multi-purpose bot for Discord. It's basically one of the top bots for music playing because it can play a lot of music across YouTube and Spotify. So go ahead and tap invite bot. It will redirect you to Discord. Now make sure you're signed into your Discord account on your web browser. It's time for you to add Pancake to your desired server. So I'm gonna choose test server here and tap continue and then grant all permissions. Scroll down and check and tap authorize and then complete this CAPTCHA. If successful, it will say thank you for inviting Pancake. Now go to your Discord app. Now here, you must join a voice channel first in order to play music. Now type in your text channel the command P play and the song you want to play. Let's try to play Billie Eilish. Now it will join the voice channel and play whatever song you input to the command. So that's basically it.